So in this tutorial we are going to focus mainly on creating the hair and the pants for our character. So let me detach these polygons and let's change the color of the hair like that. And now let's do the same thing to the pants. I think this should be good. Let's deselect the things that should not be there. Oh, I accidentally did it slightly incorrect. Okay, we need one more polygon here, this one, and let's detach it, and let's change the color of this to white because the surfer looks like this. So I guess the board itself could also be colored slightly different way. Let's deselect the things and let's change the color. Oh, I selected the water by mistake. So let's make sure we select the border. I guess the border could be this one. Yep. So let's change it to this yellowish color like this. And here's our surfer. In the next tutorial we are going to focus on actually making the whole scene look better. So right now I'm trying to find the best values for our ambient occlusion. And I think, yeah, for this short tutorial, that should make it.